Hey guys, back again with the Bowman jumbo box. I said we were going to open. Recap from the first video. If you saw it, got the on-card autograph of Avicel Garcia. You can see that, and that's just on the chrome. And then the Mike Trout. Red Ice, number to 20 or number to 25, 3 of 25. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, cool card. Anywho, all right, let's do the jumbo. Three autographs in this one. Bat packs. 12 packs, 32 cards in each pack. Okay. Pack one. Just going to skip through most of the base here and focus on the hits. Base. All right. Gold. Wade Miley. Prospect card. Jason Aquino. I guess this is some sort of geez, mini Zach Lee popping out. I guess this is some sort of like countries card. Jason Aquino. I have to look into that later. Blue. Jeff Galilich. And that's number 2/500. Sam Selman, Chrome. Todd Kibbe, Chrome. Rafael Montero, Chrome. Jose Peraza, Chrome. And Corey Hall, Chrome. And a lot of base. Alright. Space. I want to make a mini mistake again. Okay, so we got Jonas Cespedes Gold. Brandon Belt. I guess it's just base. George Springer. Bowman 100. Tyler Gonzalez, Chrome. Jesse Hahn, Chrome. Micah Johnson, Chrome. William Sebes. Christian Betancourt. And Basorama. Base up here. Pack 3. Base. Got a gold of Starlin Castro. Andrew McCutcheon. Country card. Got a cool throwback Joey Votto card. That's cool. It's like throwback to 2002 Bowman Chrome. Alright, Yordano Ventura Chrome. Brian Goodwin Chrome. Fulin Kuo. Mikeson Oliberto. Adalberto Mondesi. And base. Pack 4. Alright, base. Alright, Carlos Beltran, gold. Melky Cabrera, Ice. Carlos Sanchez. First autograph is Eddie Butler, Rockies, on card. I don't know if that light's helping or not. Oh well. Eddie Butler, on card auto. Not numbered. Shane Broyles, Tyler Heineman, Nolan Sanburn, Jose Cisnero, and Edwin Diaz. And base. Pack 5. Alright, base. Got a refractor. Oh, another mini refractor in here. Alright. Lance Lynn, gold. Prospect Challenge. Julio Teran. Little mini chrome guy. Alright, Dane Phillips. Ji-Man Choi. Gioscar Amaya. Seth Manis. Ronald Guzman. All chrome. I'm sure I'm butchering these names. These names are hard to pronounce. Pack 6. Harper on top. Base. AJ Brzezinski. Gold. Prospects. We got an ice out of Jeff Galilich. Jake Thompson, mini chrome. Those mini cards are kind of cool. Alright, Dilson Herrera, White Matheson, Roman Quinn, Jason Aquino, Carlos Sanchez, all chrome. Alright. Pack 7, if I can get it open. Something blue in here. Alright, base. Alright. Alan Craig, gold. Ice Nielsen Cruz. Those ice cards. Sorry, I'm trying to put these in order while I'm doing them. Country Gabriel Guerrera, and blue card is. Oh, thought it would be autograph. Okay, Todd Kirby, White Sox. Oh, there's an autograph behind it, and it is Devil Rays, Jake Odorizzi. And the blue is numbered to 250. Alright, Patrick Leonard, Chris Hall, Jonathan Shoup, Colin Wiles, and base. 8. Robinson Cano, gold. Prospect. Bubba Starling, mini chrome. Carlos Correa, Carson Kelly, Brett Garretts, Corey Vaughn, and Michael Taylor, all chrome. Pack 9. Base. Alright, Mark Tejera, gold. Prospects card, and a blue Cliff Lee. Number to 500. Brad Miller, mini. Cody Bucko for the Rangers. Jin Dijang, Kevin Madrano, Zach Bird, and Stephen Piscotty, all chrome. And base. 3 packs left. Base. A-Rod, gold. Prospects card. Alex Mayer, Countries card. CJ Crone, mini, and a mini blue of number to 250, Mike Zunino. So we got 2 minis out of that one. Let's see if I can get them all frame. And the Mike Zunino is numbered 162. 250. Probably can't see that, but anyway. Kind of cool card. It's got like little waves in it, little refractor waves. Alright, Socrates Brito, chrome, Tyler Scott, Jeff Gelilich, and Harold Castro, all chrome cards. Alright, base. Jared Weaver, gold. Got an ice of Tyler Scott. Got a redemption for something. Let's see what it is. Let's see who's not signing, as Chris5784 would say. Rio Ruiz. And that is a Bowman Chrome Auto Prospect base card of Rio Ruiz. Okay. Michael Reed, Ben Rowan, Jake Thompson, Kelvin De Leon, and base. And last pack. Alright, it's got Brett Jackson, gold. Chase Headley, Countries card. Oh, that's cool. A little Hank Aaron. Blue. Looks like maybe 55 Bowman. No, I can't remember which one the TV one was. Anyway, card's got a blue tint to it. Not numbered, but pretty cool. Pedro Guerrero, Travis Witherspoon, Wade Hinkle, Ronnie Bautista, and Victor Sanchez, all chrome. And that's it. So just to recap, got the Rio Ruiz. Jake Oradizzi. Eddie Butler, Rockies. And then I got the blue Todd Kibbe. The Mike Zunino mini blue. The Hank Aaron blue tinted throwback card. Number 179. And that'll about do it. A lot of base, a lot of chrome, and a few other things. Thanks for watching my video, and hopefully we'll get more up soon. See ya.